Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. How many of you have seen the video of this man, this army officer? I think I would say I claim army officer because I don't too know him well. He said that he's fed up with the system in the Nigerian army. Because of that, he left, the system. They call it a war. So he left even without the system sacking him. The Nigerian army did not sack him. He left because of the corruption that is going on in the army. Now, ever since this man left, don't tell me that you have not been seeing his video on the internet. The man has been talking, he has been criticizing, he has been making sense in most of his videos, calling out the, what is it called? The commanders, the generals in the army, one after the other. And the news coming this evening is that this man has been apprehended by the force headquarters and he is already in the custody of the Nigerian army. So what are they going to do with him? The highest thing they are going to do is to kill him, of which I know they are not going to kill him. Anyway, we are going to follow, the details. We are going to follow what is trending. We are going to follow anything that they are going to do to him. I'm not talking about maybe the torture and all those things. Nobody will know if they're already torturing him, but how the thing will be unfolding, I will be reporting it back to you. If you have not seen some of the videos this guy made, take a listen.
Major General Hilary Izan, commanding officer for Special Forces Command, Nasarawa State. This message now for you. I see how una take the Gambo soldiers for inside the Nigerian army, and I lost interest, and I decided to apply for a voluntary discharge. And you no agree acknowledge the application. You no agree do anything. You no agree forward the paper. But I made a video concerning Major General Ebuka. I accuse him for the aiding of Fulani killing the people in Plateau State, and the video went viral, and he went ahead to support and you declare me wanted. I came to tell you your own doom is coming. Now maybe this Excellence Corporal Festus IG is my name. This message is not for you, Major General Hilary Izan. Why am I mentioning Major General Hilary Izan? I say this message is not for you. You put hand, you declare me wanted, but I put paper, voluntary. You refuse to acknowledge them. But it don't reach when I don't they call una out. You support, you write, may they declare me wanted. The reason why they made this video today, Nigerians, if anything happen to me in this country where we dey, may they hold this Major General responsible. Because this Major General you see is a green snake under the green grass. They have been swallowing soldiers. Since he has been a commanding officer, they have been killing soldiers. These officers, they have been killing soldiers. He's a Major General, but I am not going to recommend it as a Major General. It's a rebellion to soldiers. They have been pointing soldiers' life to nothing, to death. This man when you see for here, so if anything happened to me today, may una hold this man responsible. He's from Calabar. Major General Hilary Izan, you are a criminal. You are a criminal commander. Now I will bring you out. The Special Forces allowance of soldiers inside that domain for Special Forces Commander Sowore State. Where the money una dey share that money. Time go come back. I go sue army. Army go hold you responsible because I write voluntary discharge. You know, approve am. Then I go. The thing pay me. So una not the want to approve people when they write for voluntary, because una know say if una approve them, they have something to say. You struck my own, you hide my own application, but you went ahead to write, you support them, and you declare me wanted. You criminal general, you declare me wanted. So you don't forget say you declare me wanted. You don't forget say you are a criminal. Now soldier money you take go build school for Calabar. You get man, you declare me wanted. I go tell you say that man when you get there, you smart. I go tell Nigeria what two people are capable of. This is the #1 Major General in the Nigerian army. Among the Major General in the Nigerian army. when they kill soldiers to enrich their pocket. They are the bad leaders that is falling the pillars of the Nigerian army down to the drain. This is one of the officers. Hilary Izan is a criminal. Money when they enter inside Nasara's, inside that for Special Forces Command, it passed billions of nairas. Now this one, now in the chopper, they collide together in with Major General MG Ali. Now then they chop the money. Calculate, we have over 3,000 personnel for Special Forces Command Nasarawa State, and the Special Forces allowance is coming to that barrack as an operation ground. This general, now then they chop him. They don't get how they want to hide that book. They don't get how they want to hide that payroll of that Special Forces. When they are young, you know, go take open. Now me tell you now today in Nigeria, I accuse this man. The money when they enter Doma, soldier money for inside Doma, and they chop them. And they open Operation White Stroke. Soldiers are not feeding well. And the issue they come in table that they are not paying soldier. This man not do anything because the life of soldier is nothing to them. They don't love soldier. They don't care about soldier. Soldier is a slave to them. That is why you see when they bring any issue, when soldier bring any issue of non-payment, they will say they will look onto the matter. But when the soldier don't go, so don't mind, he's a useless soldier. He want to breathe that Lieutenant Colonel out. Don't mind him. He said that is why. Hilary, let me tell you something. You said that at the first internal trial, you will tell me the internal trial. I was the one who made the video concerning poor salary of a soldier. And later you call a dobber. You say soldier should say something. You hear that say in that Operation White Stroke, soldier, they know they pay them. They know they pay them their operation allowance. They know they pay them anything. You call the dobber and soldier don't talk finish. After the soldier don't talk finish down, expecting that you are going to address the issue. You start facing the soldier, they blood, they say, soldier, they are very stupid. And that one said, they are not paying feeding allowance. The feeding is not good. This and this. Is it not what they provide? Is it not what the government provide that they used to feed them? Is a very, you not resolve any issue. Instead, you start insulting soldier, you start insulting their mother at home. Remember that you are using soldier money to build school in Calabar. I did that, I thought they look you. I not talk. Because what I want to talk, it go affect you now. I see say some senior, some NCO, they tell me say not talk. Because they don't say what I want to talk, it go move you. Then you come open and say one person make a video, and the person now, they are coming for him, so they are coming. Now me make the video, I not talk bad. Now I talk about the welfare of a soldier. Now welfare of a soldier, now all the whole general in the army, they enrich themselves and their family. They maltreat, no feeding. Just check this one now. Food when people they chop, children they chop no meat. In a whole full month, you they kill cow for 570 people. They kill one cow. Every Sunday they give them one pieces of meat, small meat. In a month, they chop 4 pieces of meat. So you people, you general, una come to say, person pikin can't join army, making rich more than when he did for village. He can't enter army. Is even now poorer than when he did as a civilian. Major General Izan Hilary, you are a devil. You are a devil. You are a criminal. For declaring me wanted, you are a criminal. I don't carry army weapon. Go, you don't get anything. You don't get anything when I offer to me. Now me talking. I wrote for a voluntary discharge. Now the copy with this. See the copy. Voluntary discharge. I wrote it 26 June 2024. Una no grey a jam. But if una want carry soldier, go land for Meduguri, well now go kill him. You don't go take una 24 hours to move soldier to Meduguri. But why you can't take una? 3 months, 4 months, una no acknowledge my voluntary discharge. Don't you see? You do nothing. You say you get sense. Officers of the Nigerian Army say now only them get sense. Now only them fit talk. Who you be? As an officer, who you be? If you pour the uniform for ground, are you not just an ordinary Okada like my junior brother? Then they come say, una come they do kakos occultic. So therefore, nobody fit talk about una for Nigeria. I stand today. I, first of IG, I talk about una. I go bring una out. Major General Hilary Izan, you are a devil. For declaring me wanted, I go face you. You don't fit do me anything. I don't share everything one of the plan. How not take the plan? One of the pay people to come and buy me. All those people want to send come buy me. But they are sick cause. Una they learn. Una they send soldiers. As Boko Haram when I put for me, una they write them. But they come buy me. Since una say una want fall army priority down. Army no go get level. Una no go gree wipe away the terrorists. Una go see him. Nemesis is coming. Command is coming. It's coming to you, Major General Hilary Izan. You declare me wanted, Abi. You see that baraba? That money, when you take go build school for, you go vomit that money. That soldiers money one at the share, all of them, they share. All of them, no one go. Many officers, they no one go another place. They don't say money there for Nasarawa State, Doma. They share soldier because of soldier benefit. Now they share the allowances. Nemesis, they come for all of them. You declare me wanted. Yes, I will show now how they take the declare person wanted. I will show now the root of wanted. I'm not wanted. I will show now. I will terrorize you now. You bad leader, criminal generals. We have it in the Nigerian army. All of them are criminals. I don't talk on before. 100% generals and commanding officers in the Nigerian army. Now only 10 good. The remaining 90, they are devil. They are corrupted. Now me talk on. I know what they are the talk. You declare me wanted.